Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this app called Icreditworks. So let's dive into it. The Icreditworks app is designed for quick mobile-friendly loan access, especially for medical, dental and personal financing. You can apply for loans, review terms and conditions, manage payment and also track your balance all in one place. The app is very simple, clean and generally easy to use, with quick decision and straightforward loan information that makes financing feels less complicated. The drawbacks are very notable. Some user reports the payment glitches, app freezes and issues with autopay not processing correctly. The interest rate can also be high depending on your credit profile, and in my opinion, I actually think the app is worth downloading only if it's for your specifically need, which is for your financial option. So it's convenient loan management, but it's not ideal if you expect perfect reliability or lower rate. So have it at the back of your mind that the rate is high, and that's it. Open the video up for a video, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.